Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the app and device so you can record immediately. Open the HD Video Camera app and grant camera, microphone, and storage permissions. This prevents interruptions later. Next, set resolution, pick 4K for highest detail or 1080p for smaller files, and choose 30 or 60 FPS based on motion. Then select storage location and confirm at least 10% free space. Once done, press the record button to start a short test clip and verify audio and image look correct. Now you take control of image and sound so your footage looks professional. Switch to manual mode and set ISO and shutter speed. Lower ISO for less noise, faster shutter for action. Manually rack focus or use touch to focus to lock a subject. Make sure white balance matches lighting to avoid color shifts. Use exposure compensation to fine-tune brightness. Keep an eye on the histogram and highlight warnings. Also monitor audio levels and reduce gain if meters peak. Pause, tweak settings, and run another short test. To finish the shoot, stop recording and immediately review your clips to confirm focus, exposure, and audio integrity. Trim or mark best takes inside the app, then export using H.264 or H.265 depending on compatibility. Pick a bitrate that balances quality and file size. Transfer or backup files to cloud storage or your computer to free device space. If playback stutters or files fail, make sure storage isn't full, lower bitrate or frame rate, and update the app. That single troubleshooting step often fixes capture problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.